Okay, go. Now your hand went into a strange shape. You here, can you see just be normal? You went like you are doing something. Just be normal. Go. Yeah, go. Oh, stop. Yeah, go. Finish. Yeah, no, finish first. Stop. Here. No, don't use power. Stay there. Here. Yeah. Now, before the next move, change to fist. Now continue. Yeah. You are still doing it here. You should do it here. No, you're moving. Don't move. Just stay here. I'm locking you here. So use here to turn that way. Yeah. You feel the difference? This one follows. That turn pushes it. Okay. Now I lock your knee here, and you turn that way. Yeah. Okay. Go. Feel that?
Oh yeah.
That's a huge split there. Okay. Go. Come up here. Too low. So you're here. You're here. Come up here. Now continue. Okay, stop. Here, pull more. Use here to pull. Pull. No. Pull towards here. Yeah. The power is there. You feel that now?
Yeah.
You have to be there. Okay. Go. Slowly. This has to be very close. Once it comes here, close here. Go. Stop. Here. And now continue. Don't push me. Slide over. Like this. Okay. Go. Don't move. By this time, relax. It should be here. Okay. Lock. No more movement. Everything comes from here. Yeah, no, don't move. Stay here. Stay here. Don't move. Don't open. Okay. Stay here. Only here. Okay. Go. No. Here. You have to finish here. No. Here. No, come here. Yeah, don't do anything. Just come here. No, don't turn. Come here. And now, here, together rotate that way. That's it. Go. No, sideways, okay? Show you the position. Watch my position. Watch my foot position or leg position. We're here. Watch, okay? Here. Yeah, stay away. Here. Watch. It's here.
Oh, yes.
Go.
So fun.
Right, then turn. Step up totally straight. Sideways. That's it. Change palm 3 times. Go. 1, 2, 3. No, only 3.
Oh.
Okay, watch. 1, 2. On the 3, watch, okay? Withdraw elbow. When it's roughly here, go like this. And now turn. And then open. Then come back. 2. Stay there. Only, no, don't move. Only pull this in. In. No power, only here. In. Stop. And then go. That's it. And don't move. Turn towards me now. Turn. That's it. Now open up. So you're here, right? Open here. Now towards me. Yeah. No movement. Yeah, you're here. Only here. No stepping.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, continue. Step back to whirl arms.
Something I think bring part.
Here.
Okay. The leg.
No, don't turn. You see? It's just here. You're doing this.
Okay.
No, don't turn. Go down. Yeah, only open. Go. No, don't go down. Stay here. Yeah. It's here. And then come in, open, come in. White crane, and then brush the knee. Go, no. White crane again, white crane. Okay, brush the knee. Step, brush. Good. Flash the back. Okay. 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 No. Right here. Here. Just here. Right here. Turn. Step. Okay, stop. Look at your here. It's here. That's it. Step up to punch cover hand. Retreat. Okay. Now stop. So after the punch covering hand, your body is frontal. It should be here. Watch me. We're here. 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 Now we're back to here. Here. You continued to be here. And you're here. You see that now? Face here. Go. Yeah. Punch, covering hand, and open. Okay. That's it. Succeeding for closing. Number 2, his hand follows. This. Okay, step up. Single whip. 1, 2, 3. Don't move. Okay. Okay. No. Stay there. Don't move. I'll make the move for you. Okay? No move. There. Stop. That's single whip. That's it.